Okay guys, here we go again. The last time me and Lily went camping together, just the two of us, he was very restless all night. And I suggested he stay home this time. He was having no part of it. If you're going, I'm going too. We'll see, we'll see what he's like once it gets dark. Yeah, a little breeze of wind tonight. See, the trees are moving. That might be good as long as it's not too much. Be nice and cool. Be dark soon. We gotta get going. Come on, Leo. Faster, faster, faster! He's not interested in faster. And still here. That's good. That's a good sign. Leo, why you stop? Come on. Come on. Check out Leo. There's an old lady down here digging for frogs or snails or crab or whatever she can find, and Leo's not impressed. I don't know who this lady is. I never seen her before until about a week or two ago, and now I see her every day, I think. So I don't know if she's a return, just came home, or visiting someone. Hey, relax. Or I just never seen her before. But she is here all the time now, around this area. She's digging in the wife's farm. No one's going to mind that. I do believe she just got a crab. Not much life in the farm this year. Normally this time of year they get lots of frogs and the land crab especially. And I've shown videos on both those before. But with the drought last year, no water, no breeding, so not much around this year. Lily, relax. She's not hurting nothing. Relax. She'll be gone soon. It'll be dark soon. Now, tonight we're not really cooking. I have stew. I made some quail stew today, and that's what we're eating. Actually, Leo already ate. And, okay, relax. That's enough. That's enough. But I'm gonna make toast. I'm gonna have toast with my stew. And my bread is actually frozen. Boy, relax, will you? I don't have much charcoal, I noticed. What have you got here? You're crazy, Leo. You're going to be worried about her all night now, aren't you? Huh? Is this what's going to worry you? Going to be something for sure. Okay, relax. Yeah, relax. She's not doing nothing. Nothing that you need to worry about. Yeah. Oh, what was that? Got a splinter off of you. The old lady's pretty determined. It's late enough that there's no cows around. All the cows are gone in. I see a few birds flying, not too many. As you can see, plenty windy. I got the tent open up, the air out. The good thing about leaving the tent here is I don't have much stuff to bring. That's good. Just got to show up and get the fire going. Hey, relax. Shh. Shh. Hey. I know. Stealing Mom's frogs, huh? Hey. Yeah, you want some toast? Yeah. Is this gonna bother you all night? She found something. I don't know what she's digging there, but whatever it is, she got a lot of it. I think she's packing up, Leo. She's had enough of you. She's leaving. Right. Look at her. Look at you, huh? Okay, enough. Enough. Hey, what did I tell you? Yeah. Hey. Boy, my toast. Oh, it's black already. Black's okay, yeah? You don't mind black toast. Oh, you crazy dog. Where's the spoon? Hi. She's gone now. She's gone now. Oh, she's going a different way than I thought she was going. Hi. Quiet. Quiet. I got my spoon. Stew is good. You want some stew? What's the toast doing? Coming. This side seems to be hotter. I got homemade butter for my toast. How's that? We might be camping, but we can have some luxuries, Leo. Whoa. Look at that stuff, huh? That's the real deal, Leo. Whew, that's hot toast. Yeah. I got another one. I got one for you. Leo don't really like bread. Bread on potatoes, rice. Not his favorite, that's for sure. People really don't like people, huh? Other dogs. Okay. I'll show you my stew. Got it in a tub here. I wouldn't dump it everywhere. There's the quail. I did a video on how I make this stew on the Catfish Kitchen channel if you want to check it out. It's really easy and really delicious. I did make this one very spicy though. What do you think about that, Leo? You don't care about spicy, huh? You want some toast? Maybe that'll get you relaxed, yeah? Hmm? Come on. It's got homemade butter. Huh? It's good. Campfire toast with homemade butter. Eat it. It's good, bye. I tell you what, you missed out. Your problem. It's your loss now. All right. You want some? He just ate. He's not very crazy, like a lot of dogs, crazy about food, you know. He's never been like that. Except Bones. He'll fight with anybody to get a bone, that's for sure. But most other food, eat when he's hungry, that's it. Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah. Thing of beauty, huh? Well, seem to be relaxed a little bit. Got him to eat a piece of toast. Then the second piece, he spit it out. Now it's finishing off the stew. I did hear a kite, but I don't hear it anymore. It's behind me. I don't know where the guys from our village is. Night off? I doubt it. Good on now. A little bit spicy for you, I think, huh? You can live with it. It's a beauty night. Oh, that's for sure. That fire, huh? Just enough wind. Want some water? Hmm? It's a little bit warm now. Here, go ahead, drink your water. Don't go looking around and just make you bark. Should have brought my computer tonight. I was going to, then I forgot to do it. I got a bunch of stuff I need to write. Don't need internet for it. Just need time. Could do it under the stars. That'd be cool, huh? But it didn't do it, so we just have to relax a lot, Leo. We're good at that, huh? I'm good at that. You're not so much. Yeah, there you go. There is a light over there. It wasn't there before. Maybe the kite guys are coming out. You relax. Good boy. You good boy. Don't make your ears do that. It's just a kite. There's a kite in a neighboring village. I think that's the one we hear. I assume that's where it is in that direction. Got Leo's ears going back and forth. I hear something, I hear something. What is it? Ah. Yeah, don't worry. We'll just sit here and enjoy the fire. Then I'll read you a nighttime story, huh? That'll make you feel better. Get you to sleep. Mesmerizing. Just look right into the fire and ignore the rest. Ignore Leo. Relax. He seems to be relaxed tonight. Let's keep it that way, huh, Leo? Huh? You gonna move your tail? No. Hello, buddy. Did we wake you up? He's been like this now for about, half an hour, maybe longer. Still at the door, but that might be just for the breeze coming through. Relaxed anyway. Morning, Lily dog. Yes, boy. I think Lily needs to pee. I just finished the temple bell, so 6. Lily slept good all night. It's cold. I actually just checked the weather. It's at 19 degrees. That's cold for here. Hello? Are you cold? You want to pee? Oh, we had a big storm last night. The old tent was shaking, huh? Wasn't it, Leah? Lots of wind. Okay, let's go. I opened the door for you. I don't go outside about 10 minutes ago. He hasn't moved. Just looking around. Leo. Hello, Leo. Leo, make a tea, Leo. Come on. Leo, make the tea. What is it, Leo? There's a guy down there. He's checking his rat snares. I saw him putting them out yesterday. I forgot about that. When I was walking the dogs yesterday, I saw him. I don't know if he caught anything or not. But Leo's been watching him for a while here as he gets closer and closer. What do you think, Lily? That's a good dog. That's your job. Don't worry about him though. He's busy. He's still there? Must have a lot of snares out there. He's all around the wife's little lake there. There's normally lots of rats around there, I know that. They dig holes through the berm, and then when the lake is full, all the water runs out. It seems to happen almost every year. Come on, come on, come on. Wow, there we go, Leo. Still a kite up. I hear a lady talking. You hear the lady? There's going, wow. Lots of pigeons and a little hawk. There's a family of little auks. Leo, look at the birds, Leo, look at the birds. There's a family of little auks here. I was watching a couple days ago, a few days ago, watching Mom teaching the babies how to hunt. And she was just squawking at them as she's in the sky. It was pretty amazing. I assume that's what was going on, that she was teaching them how to hunt. But they're just little things. Not much bigger than a pigeon. Leo, go find some wood, Leo. No? Nothing? Need to check for ants. A lot of fuel. Only a few, really, only a few. Oh, beautiful morning, I tell you what. What do you think, Leo? Get some tea on the go here. Life be good. It's already pretty good. See that hair right across the lens. A thing of beauty right there, huh? There we go, Lily. Here we go. What? Outer door. Kite's pretty loud on Leo. Boy, what a windstorm we had. Leo didn't even wake up. The old tent was just a swinging in the breeze. Look at all the leaves on your tail. Oh, my buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Want some milk? I'll give you the milk, eh? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Leo likes milk. Oh, I think I put too much milk, Leo. Can't think of a better way to start the day, to be honest. I haven't seen any cows yet, Leo. That's strange, huh? Must be cold. Everybody's staying in bed. Oh, that's good tea, boy. Whoa. Dog fight. There we go. There's our campsite sealed up again. We're off. Okay, Lily, let's go. If you want to pee, go ahead. Few cows getting out now. Well, that's it, guys. That's our night in the tent, me and Leo. It was a good one. It was windy. It was cold. Cold this morning. You know, 19 degrees. That's pretty cold here. 19 Celsius. Yeah. Cold day. Lily slept like a baby last night. Oh, Leo? Not bad. Probably slept 10 hours. That's good deal, Leo. Good deal. Better than no hours the last time, huh? Go. Come on. Alright, guys, well, that's it. There's our shuttle. Me and Lily dog. That's where we're going. Not far. We'll be home in less than 5. That's that's kind of cool, actually. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of thing, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like this and I wasted your time, sorry. Go.